Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. Time freedom is the main thing. Financial freedom just follows that. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So I wish that there would have been a place, a channel that I could have gone to find information and honest reviews about the best and worst courses to help me to get free through online marketing, digital marketing, and passive income. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free. And let's get free together. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. Let's jump right into this review. It is about onlineeducationtraining.com. You've probably seen it in your ads on YouTube. That's the same for me. I kept seeing it popping up in my YouTube ads, and I was like, what is this? Let's talk about it. What is it? It's a lead generation, aka local marketing business that this guy, Douglas James, is showing you how to do. So he's showing you how to create a local marketing or lead generation agency where you are finding customers and leads for local businesses, and they are paying you for those leads. The way that you're getting those leads, how he's teaching you how to get those leads, is through Facebook paid ads and Google ads. Who was it created by? I already said that, but it was created by Douglas James. That's this guy. He's a very successful local marketer that has grown several businesses and has done a lot of teaching and online courses. He's got a really good rating on Trustpilot. He's not a fake guru. He is a little bit cocky, but he's kind of good looking. So, What's different about it? He teaches more than just a course. He really helps you to build an entire business, him and his team. Also, his testimonials are the main thing that's different. He has so many testimonials from students, real testimonials, and he's got video testimonials where he's talking to students and asking them about how they got to this point and what it was like, and it's very obvious that his testimonials are all very real. And I actually know that his testimonials are real because I actually personally know one of his students that did a testimonial. What's included? You get access to his new VIP membership site, which includes over 50 training videos. You get access to 50 plus marketing funnels and ad campaigns. They're basically copy and paste, but I would recommend changing them up, of course. He has a lot of students, so you don't want all of yours to be the same. You get access to their prospecting strategies, which basically means how you find clients that are going to pay you every month. Prospecting is basically how you find clients to pay you. So basically, you're emailing and you're calling and you're trying to find clients like owners of roofers or dentists or whatever kind of clients you're trying to find. That's prospecting, is when you're trying to find clients to sign a contract with you. And it's harder than it sounds. You would be surprised how far business owners will go to not give their email and phone number information out. They also give you access to their VIP support group, so you can learn from what other successful students have done. This is a really important thing. I've had that before and it makes all the difference. You do have access to their partner program, which basically just means you're outsourcing the work to his company, and you definitely will have to pay more for that. You supposedly get direct access to Douglas James himself through Messenger. However, I'd be skeptical about this. And you get access to all of his staff and sales experts and all that. He's got really good support. How does it work? Basically, you place ads online, so Facebook ads and Google ads, and you have to pay for them in general. That's what he teaches, paid ads. So you place paid Google and Facebook ads online. Those ads generate leads or customers, and then you rent those ads out to these local businesses. So basically that means these businesses pay you for these ads in order to get customers. Generally, they're paying you $1,000 to $2,000 a month, but if you work your way up, get some experience, and find higher ticket clients, you can get more money per month. Who is this for? Anybody who wants to build a local marketing agency using paid Facebook ads and Google ads. He says that it's very beginner friendly, so it's for beginners. It's for anybody with sales experience, because you do have to sell yourself and find clients and create contracts and things like that. So anybody who likes talking with clients and people on a regular basis and being somewhat of a salesman, this would be good for you. Who is this not for? Anybody who's not a fan of Facebook ads. That's me. I don't like that he is teaching Facebook ads. I don't think Facebook ads is a good way to run your business. Facebook can ban your ad accounts whenever they feel like it for whatever reason they want to. They're very expensive and they don't always go to the right people. So you waste a lot of money showing your ads to people that don't even want to see them. Also, anybody who just doesn't really like to sell things to people or talk to people, if you don't want to talk to clients and have to try to write out contracts and get clients to sign them with you and negotiate prices with people face to face or over the phone, then this is not for you. Pros: Douglas James has 4.9 out of 5 star rating on Trustpilot, so very trustworthy. The testimonials from his students are real. I actually know one of these people personally. I watched the video. These testimonials are real. Unlike affiliate marketing, you get to keep 100% of your profits, and you are helping other businesses get customers, which is just a good business model. Businesses are always going to need more customers. Cons: he doesn't talk about how hard Facebook ads are. He does not tell you what the investment is up front. You have to get on a call. I hate that. You have to deal with multiple clients, which can be kind of like having multiple bosses. That's not fun. And he only teaches paid traffic rather than free and organic traffic, so not a super big fan of that. What does it cost? I would say anywhere from $2,000 to $8,000 depending on how much of it you purchase. I think probably the basic just to get started is about $2,000. He says right here you only need 1 or 2 clients for it to pay for itself. Earlier in the page, he talks about how normally 1 client is about $1,000. I also read a few reviews on Trustpilot from people saying that it was $2,000, so I think that's the base where you get started. And then if you need mentorship, it's probably going to be quite a bit more, as well as software prices and other things like that. Ads can cost a lot of money, so be prepared to pay for ads as well. When I was doing Facebook advertising a while back, I easily spent $1,000 a month on ads, so that's the thing as well. Final thoughts: lead generation is a great business model. You are selling something that people and business owners will always need and will always be willing to pay for. Using Facebook ads for traffic is not a good business model. You can get your ad accounts banned, and basically that is your whole business. Paid advertising on Facebook is risky and it's just not good for longevity. When you have to get on a sales call to find out the price of something, it generally means it's going to be several thousands of dollars. So that's not my favorite either. Final verdict: I'm 50-50 on this one. I do recommend it for some. I think it's a good course if you're good at sales and you like talking to people and you're not afraid of Facebook ads. You do have to work hard and you can't be afraid of rejection, because you are going to get a lot of clients that are going to say no. You have to be good at talking to people and selling yourself a bit. You also need a few $1,000s in capital. If you have all of those things, I think that this would be a really good course, and I think Douglas James does a good job. I do not recommend it for other people if you don't want to deal with talking to clients face to face, if you don't like Facebook ads, if you're not really a salesman, then this isn't for you. So thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. I hope this helps you make an informed decision and go out and get free.